Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create engaging quiz videos using Canva. Interactive quizzes are a fantastic way to connect with your audience, test their knowledge, and make learning fun. We'll walk through the entire process, from designing your questions to adding dynamic elements and finally sharing your masterpiece. Canva makes it incredibly easy to bring your creative ideas to life, even if you have no prior design experience. Get ready to transform your content. Now, let's dive into designing your quiz questions. First, open Canva and choose a video template that fits your style, or simply start fresh. You'll then add text boxes for each question and its corresponding answer choices. Remember to keep questions concise and answers distinct. Don't forget to use Canva's extensive media library to add engaging visuals like images, icons, or even short video snippets to make each slide pop and capture attention. To make your quiz truly interactive, let's explore Canva's animation and sound features. You can animate text and elements to reveal questions and answers smoothly, adding a professional touch. Think about incorporating upbeat background music or subtle sound effects to keep your audience engaged. For an extra layer of fun, consider adding a progress bar or a countdown timer to build excitement and encourage quick responses. These small details make a big difference. Finally, it's time to export and share your fantastic quiz video. Before downloading, always take a moment to preview your creation to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Once satisfied, download your video in a high-quality format like MP4. Canva makes sharing incredibly straightforward. You can directly post your quiz to social media platforms, embed it on your website, or send it via email. Get ready to see your audience engage and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.